How to change appearance in Yahoo Mail account. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open your preferred browser and in the search bar search for mail.yahoo.com. Make sure you are signed in and now go ahead and tap on the three dots on the left side toolbar of your screen and further tap on the settings option. Now, in the menu that appears, on the left side toolbar again, you will see the appearance option. Tap on that and further go ahead and select your preferred appearance from the provided options, and with this, your appearance will be changed. So, this is how you can change appearance in Yahoo Mail account. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.